Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to flare copper gas lines. Flaring is a crucial technique for creating secure, leak-proof connections in gas systems. You'll need a few key tools to get started, including a specialized flaring tool, a sharp tube cutter, and a reaming tool. Always remember to wear appropriate safety gear, such as safety glasses, to protect your eyes throughout the entire process. This ensures both a successful flare and your personal safety. Before you begin flaring, proper preparation of your copper tubing is absolutely essential for a successful seal. First, use a tube cutter to make a perfectly square cut on the end of the tubing. Next, carefully ream the inside edge to remove any burrs or sharp edges that could compromise the flare. Ensure the tubing end is perfectly round and smooth. Finally, and this is very important, remember to slide the flare nut onto the tubing before you perform the actual flaring operation. Now, let's get to the core of the process, the flaring technique itself. Begin by securely clamping the prepared copper tubing into the correct size hole on your flaring block. Make sure the tubing extends just slightly, about 1/16 of an inch above the surface of the block. Next, position the flaring yoke over the block, ensuring the cone is perfectly centered over the tubing. Slowly turn the feed screw clockwise until the cone forms a smooth, even flare. After completing the flaring process, it's crucial to carefully inspect your work. Gently remove the tubing from the flaring tool and examine the flare closely. Look for any signs of cracks, splits, or unevenness around the circumference. A perfect flare will be smooth, uniform, and perfectly concentric, without any imperfections. Once you're satisfied with the quality of your flare, you can confidently connect the tubing to its corresponding fitting, ensuring a reliable and leak-free gas line connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.